Yeah, it is. Look, it is recording. Well, look at that. Hey Kieran, when you're editing this later, I just want you to know that you're
the best snowboard instructor ever.
Yeah, just walking to work. A wonderful time. Got so much fresh snow, baby. It's glorious. But yeah. Just wanted to let you know that you're
the best snowboard instructor.
Can that see me right now? I didn't know how it worked. I was trying to like move it around, but it was
360, you can see you anyway.
Well, I'm in charge of the camera this morning because I'm just ultimately cooler. Basically, we've got a lot of fresh snow. Like, more than 6 whole centimetres of sweet fresh pow pow, baby.
And that was a good day.
It was, yeah. And Kieran's got both of his boards because, yeah.
I'm going to ride this one and I'm going to do the park in this one after.
Yeah, he's dragging me into the park after.
Dragging you, and we're going to film each other.
Apparently we're going to film each other.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
Yeah, that's all the update. I went to Colonia yesterday. It's a good day. Got a whole box of toe warmers. So
Do they not, when you put them in your boot, it's like having an extra...
Nah, because they're really thin.
I notice, even where I wear my socks compared to your socks,
Yeah.
there's a gap creates.
Yeah, but you've also got massive feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should see my calf size.
Oh. Haha.
And my ego.
Yeah. So yeah. Kieran, you got any updates for the peoples today?
Right, first of all, just hold it there. You don't have to put it back.
No.
It makes it a nightmare to edit. Put it back up there. Because otherwise I have to reframe it every single shot.
Hey. Whoa!
Yeah.
Have you got any updates for the people?
Oh,
Here.
No, I'm gonna do more back 180s.
Yeah. I'm gonna do something. Probably
Without reverting at the end.
Probably fall on my face.
And I'm almost ready for park, I think.
Woo, you've got your park in what, 2 weeks?
No, end of Feb.
End of Feb? 4 weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Well, it'll be probably 2 weeks by the time this is released, but...
Yeah. And just think, if you don't pass, you're a massive
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's this morning's Gone Go Chat. Goodbye.